So banana plugs, these are the fairly standard. Obviously they have a springy bit at the end there which creates the tension when you insert it into the speaker area. They often unscrew in reverse, so instead of that screwing off the bottom, it screws off the top. Just pop that over the top, and that leaves the internal and the external. Often they will come with a red and a black marker, so that tells you if maybe it's your left or right, just to keep your speakers in phase. The beauty about these is that if you happen to wire up your wire, let's say that you've got your wiring here, let's say we're going to use the named one for our red, and you wire that up, and then you think, oh no, I wanted that for the black, then you just change the end. I know that's a simple thing to say, but when I first wired these up, that was a surprising challenge. So, as you can see with this particular one, which is a Nakamichi, which I bought from China, which is actually a Japanese brand, we have a small screw here, a small screw here, and then the slot that the wire goes into. So you can see as I unscrew this small screw, that opens up that chamber. You don't want to go too far with the Nakamichis because that these little slug nibs fall out quite easily. You want to create just enough space that you can insert that wire. So we're going to go again with the named wire. I'm just going to slot that in there, and then we're going to screw that down.
Up. Already I'm getting some tension, and as you can see I just lost that little nib, so I'll find that here. So always good to do this over some sort of bench or electronics board so that you don't lose anything. You screw that one down. Oh, so it's nice and tight. Not displaying my best tool skills here today, but bear with me. I'm going to manually restart the second one. There we go.
Right, I do those up really tight. The way I figure it, this is metal. This is metal. This is gold plated. So, screw it in as hard and as tight as you like. That one's not going to come off. And then simply pop that cover back on, correct color, which is red. And there you go. You've got your banana plug ready to go in the back of your speaker.